What's the easiest way to locate famous art at the Met? Imagine walking into a museum filled with over 490,000 works of art spanning 5,000 years. It can seem overwhelming, but there are simple ways to find the masterpieces you want to see. The key is to plan ahead and use the tools available. Start by visiting the Met's official website or downloading their mobile app before your visit. These resources provide detailed maps, searchable collections, and highlights of must-see pieces. You can look up famous artworks and see exactly where they are located in the museum. Most iconic paintings are in specific departments like the European Paintings collection. This department houses works by artists such as Greco, Diego Velázquez, Rembrandt, Monet, and others. For example, Greco's View of Toledo is displayed in a dedicated gallery, as is Rembrandt's Aristotle with a bust of Homer. Monet's Bridge over a Pond of Water Lilies can be found in the American and European Impressionist sections. Emmanuel Lutzi's Washington Crossing the Delaware is also in this department, making it easy to find once you know where to look. Another important area is the Robert Lehman collection. It features paintings from the Italian Renaissance and Northern European schools. Works by Botticelli, Giovanni Bellini, and Goya are displayed here. The collection is housed in a special wing designed to resemble a historic townhouse, which makes navigation straightforward. When you arrive, pick up a physical map at the entrance or use the digital guides on your phone. These guides highlight the locations of famous works and suggest efficient routes through the museum. The staff at the information desks are also happy to help you find key pieces quickly. Joining a guided tour or using audio guides focused on the museum's highlights can make your visit even easier. These options provide context and directions, helping you locate artworks faster and understand their importance. In short, the easiest way to find famous art at the Met is to plan with the museum's online resources and guides. Focus on major departments like European paintings and the Robert Lehman collection. Use the maps and guides available at the museum, and consider guided tours or audio guides for a smooth experience. This way, you'll spend more time enjoying the art and less time searching for it.